step 2, you need to find all these nice big old rocks and then stack them up, maybe like 3 stacks of it, like until it's like maybe that high, you know. Then you put all the wood and the twigs in there, and then this is step 3. You have to have gas with you at all times. You pour the gas on the wood, and then you have a match, and you step away from the fire, like so, and then you light a match like that, so it goes tsh, and then after that you go boom, and there's a big old fire, and after that you're going to have a nice old fire, and it's going to be nice and cozy, and then you're going to sit back and relax, and then all you hear is going to be the fire, and this, and that's all you're going to hear from that fire, and then everyone else is going to enjoy it, and when the fire is done, you have a bucket of water, and you pour it out. And make the fire go bye-bye.
Okay, does anybody have a follow-up question?